The best thing about the Health and Safety Services is that it's a place I can go and ask a question when I'm not sure of something. The unexpected should be expected because it's going to happen. We had a flood at the very beginning of the school year last year where in the first week of school there was a drainage ditch that collapsed, and as a result water backed up into the school. It was just rainwater, but we couldn't operate the school, and they helped us with cleanup options. The Health and Safety Service was really great in helping us through those steps. They'd give us ideas on places to go to get assistance. They were there to make sure everything was okay, and we were able to get everything cleaned up so the next day we were back and running. Most recently, the largest thing I can think of is that the water testing, which you just had to do for lead. They were involved in us all along and making sure we were abreast of regulations. They helped us with anything regarding safety and health of regarding disaster, regarding safety plans that are required by the state. There's just a large variety of activities they're involved with. Another example that they've helped us a lot is hazardous chemical removal. They've worked with us in terms of our chemistry teachers have all kinds of stuff, and teachers are notorious at saving things. They might need it down the line, and so we have now our chemical hygiene officer working with BOCES to make sure that we have the hazardous chemicals that shouldn't be in the building, and also with the changing of labels for our custodial staff. Our head of buildings and grounds works closely with them to make sure that we're kept abreast of the latest regulations. They came and took a picture with a special camera that did a 360-degree picture of each room, and what it did was twofold. One, heaven forbid there's any kind of emergency where the police need to know what's in a room and how it's set up, they can see that. Or if there's some kind of disaster, either a fire or natural disaster, for insurance purposes, we can see exactly how the room was set up and the types of equipment that were in there for help with any kind of claims. That was a great thing for us. In terms of other thing that they did for security was that the Rensselaer County Sheriff's Department now has an override system on our swipe card should there ever be a need that they have to come into our building. Just yesterday I had a question regarding a new visitor's badge system we're thinking of instituting, and I gave a call just to see what are our options, how should we go, and if the best part is they don't pretend to know an answer if they don't, but they'll tell you they'll get the answer and get back to you when they do.